Okay, everyone, thanks for joining in on this one. It's the 1213 certified. Last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets, October 24th at 8:29. And the serial number is 1909-16636. And the current time, Thursday, October 24th at 9:32. So, same stuff on tomorrow, guys. We get right to the break. Hopefully the link's good tonight. There's something with YouTube last night. 1909-16636. One of my videos never even uploaded until tonight, but when I Google searched about it, I read in a few forums that, I don't know, they've been having a few problems this week, and a lot of people experience the same thing, so just cross my fingers that everything goes smooth tonight. Normally what I do is, when I'm done doing all the breaks, I start uploading them, and I usually don't even get up from this chair. I just start putting everybody's cards in plastics and sorting them out, who owns what, and then by the time I'm done doing that, usually they're all uploaded, and I can start sending out the links. Start off with a base pack. They're nice cards. The parallels in this from the 12-13 stuff. Chicago, Patrick Kane, 11/99. The blue. Junior class signatures for the Boston Bruins, Cam Neely. Of the Calgary Flames, Ben Barchi. I'm going to have to randomize that at the end. It's number 32/100. So I'll randomize that at the end of the video. Let's start. Immortals for the Buffalo Sabres, Corral. 797 999 Corral. Certified signatures for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alan York. The Columbus Blue Jackets rookie, Sean Hunwick, 764/999. Fabric of the game for the Flyers, Jaromir Jagr. Oh, Dallas Stars, sorry. Seeing the jersey. That one's numbered 194/299. That's for Dallas. Jagr. 2 base. Path to the Cup. New Jersey and the Rangers. Kovalchuk and Gabrick. It's number 60/199. That'll have to be randomized. Certified Stars for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. 863/999. Giroux. And Fabric of the Games for Nashville Predators, Chet Pickard, 87/150. 2 base. Last pack, and then I'll get the random. And finish with a base pack. So thanks guys for those users that aren't gonna stick around to watch the random. First one up, I'll do Kovalchuk and Gaborik. So Kovalchuk's on the left, or the top, whatever you want to call it on this card. So New Jersey will be on the top, and Rangers. Once, 2 times, 3 times, Rangers are on top. So that one goes to the Rangers at the cup. And the next one I'll do is the Neely Bertie. Neely is on the left, so he's going to be on the top here in the list. So Boston, Calgary. Once, 2 times, 3 times. Boston's on top, so that one does go to Boston. So thanks again, guys, and sure to check out the auctions tomorrow. It's the same stuff tomorrow night.